What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Jayla Marie. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my family. So today's video is brought to you by Outre, and I am trying out yet another one of their converter cap units. Now this is in the style Rosey Waves, and I have her in the color number 1B. Now this unit comes in these beautiful loose texture waves, almost like a semi-yaki texture. One thing that I love about the converter cap units is that you can style this unit in so many different ways. You can do a headband wig, you can do a half up, half down look. You can also do a ponytail, which is my favorite because it features that drawstring in the back, and that is exactly what I will be doing with this unit today. We're gonna do us a nice sleek back ponytail with a gorgeous wave in the back. So I am super excited to get started. So my hair has not been washed since my last video. It's been in this slick back ponytail for, it's been about a week now. I was gonna wash my hair, but then I changed my mind because I did not want to wash my hair and then turn around and put all the same products in it, and it just didn't make sense. So we're just gonna keep this same week-old hair, which is fine. It has the same products in it that I'm gonna put in right now today. I'm just gonna go in and define my part a little bit better because I've been rocking my hair like this for a week, and the part is not, it looks better. Okay. So I'm gonna brush it out some with my little Tangle Teaser. I just love this brush. So we're gonna do a little sleek ponytail. Now, this is tricky for 4C girls like me, especially in this heat, baby, because the edge control has been melting. I mean, just like melting around my edges. It does not work for me. It does not work, because this has actually been my second time trying to film this video, and my edge control just failed me. So we have to bring in some reinforcements. So I will be using this Cantu edge control. Now, I really do like this. Look at my nails. You see what happens to your nails when you use edge control? It just slough away my nail polish. Like, does that happen to you guys? It's all sloughed away. I guess it's the wax in it, just takes all your polish off. So excuse my nails looking rough. I love this. It only worked for one day. And it's like, I feel like the more you put this in your hair, the more it just does not work. It don't work. So we're gonna be using edge control. Then I need my holy grail. This is the only thing that's gonna lay my hair down, girl. Lay it down with that only thing. And then I'll have to follow up with my second favorite. It's the freeze spray. I'm going to part my hair off. Now, like I said, this is my second time filming this video. And for me to get my hair nice and sleek to match this hair, I need to part it off. So we're gonna put half of my hair away. And I'm just gonna focus on the back. This is where the reinforcements come in. Just to lightly tie it off, that way it stays in place. So I'm gonna smooth this out using some edge control. And sometimes I like to go in my comb, especially like this middle part. That's when my hair is the thickest. And I'll just go in and comb those roots. Using some more of that Got to Be glue. All right, I think I got my hair as sleek as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs, like do my edges. I'm going to follow up with my freeze spray and just spray that. Smoothing it while it's wet, because this stuff tends to kind of like make my hair wave up. That's why I'm smoothing it real good, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer to set it. I'm just going to tie it down with this scarf to set it all in place, and I'm just going to let this sit about 5 minutes. And I will be back. Here's the unit, these beautiful waves, real loose. Let's pop this thing on. When you create a ponytail with this unit, there will be a lot of bulkiness in your ponytail, but it will not show. I'm just tucking this as tight as I can, and once I have it on, it stays in place really good. So I'm going to take my drawstring and pull it as tight as possible. Now that's one thing about this unit. I do wish that the drawstring could go just a little bit tighter. It would really help when you do create a ponytail. But I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap this all around and tuck it in. And I'm using a hairpin. All right, so, ooh, look how beautiful this is, girl. I'm liking these waves. So I'm just gonna lightly just take my time and brush out any tangles. Now, one thing I can say about Outre's, they come up with some really great ideas for hair, but the quality of their synthetic units are not the best. I can say that honestly, they are not the best. Like I said, I did do a video of this, trying to style this hair, and it just did not turn out right because it was just like the worst day. It was so hot, my hair wasn't acting right. So I had to redo it today, and I did go out that day with this hair in, and like I said, my edges melted, girl. They just straight up melted in the heat. So that was a no-go, but this hair tangled up so bad in the back. I was so afraid that my hair, my natural hair, wasn't matching this hair, girl. They look the same, rough. They were both looking rough. But I mean, look at it today. It looks good. Like after I combed out the tangles, it looks good. But be aware this unit does tangle. Like it will tangle in the back, so you will have to keep your brush to brush the back in the nape area. But the top of it was fine. It was just really the nape area. That's to be expected for this unit to be so inexpensive. They are very affordable units. So this is a, you know, 1 day type of style, 1 to 2 days, I would say. I'm gonna take a piece from the back and I'm gonna wrap this around the base of the ponytail. So this is a complete look, guys. I am loving the waves on it. I love how effortless they look and they just flow very nice. So pretty. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below and also like this video as well. And don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have all products listed along with this unit from Outre. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.